Finally, I'm back home after a tiring day. When did you arrive? I didn't notice you had already come.
I've just arrived. I was waiting for you to come and say hello to your mom.
Sorry, Mom. I was in my bedroom listening to music and I didn't hear you.
Don't worry, tell me how's everything going. Are you okay?
Everything is fine. It was a regular week here.
I don't believe you.
I studied hard, of course. I was at college most of the time, so I didn't have free time.
Yeah, right. Did you get good grades in your exams?
In most of the subjects, sure I did, but I had some problems in chemistry, damn.
As usual.
Yeah, I can't understand elements. I don't know why.
I know, but that's okay because I also struggled with chemistry when I was in university.
Really? I didn't know that. Well, I got high grade in music.
You really like to play piano, don't you? Maybe you can become a professional.
I was thinking about that, and I want to ask you for something as a favor.
Okay, how much money do you need and what do you need it for?
I don't need the money, but I need you to pay for some extra piano classes, please.
But you're already taking music lessons. Isn't that enough?
No, it isn't. I really like to play the piano and I want to learn new things.
Okay, we'll see. Did you do all the chores I told you to do at home?
Absolutely. I was here at home on time every day to clean.
I can see everything looks clean. Well done. Was it always like this?
Every single day, wash the clothes, did the dishes, mop the floor, and so on.
Did you call the electrician to fix the wires?
I did. I called him last week and he came the next day. He fixed the wires and the fridge.
Very well. Wait, the fridge? It wasn't broken. What happened?
Well, I'm gonna tell you, but please don't get mad at me. It was an accident.
Oh my god, the fridge was new. What did you do now?
Well, actually, it wasn't my fault. I was having a small gathering.
Having a small gathering? Are you sure about that? You didn't make a party, did you?
It was a small gathering to study with some friends, and we had to eat something, of course.
Okay, it's not the first time you've told me something like that. What happened?
Well, I was looking for food in the fridge as usual when my friend called me to help him, so I left it open.
You mean the door of the fridge? How many times did I tell you not to leave it open?
I know, but I didn't realize. I got distracted and I left it open for one day, and that's how the fridge broke down.
Well, at least you called the mechanic.
Yeah, when I realized it wasn't working, I immediately called a mechanic to fix it.
Then how much did it cost to get it repaired?
It cost $400, but you don't have to worry. I paid it with a credit card you left.
So I have to be happy for that, right? What else happened?
Well, it's been quite eventful. I was playing with my friends outside.
Oh, alright. I hope you didn't get into any trouble.
Well, I did something I shouldn't have. We were playing football and the ball accidentally hit the window. It broke.
Oh, no, that's not good. Which window did you break?
It was the big window in the living room. I'm really sorry, Mom. It was an accident.
Accidents happen. I'm glad you're okay. We'll find a way to fix it.
Brad said he knows a professional who can repair it.
Oh dear, that sounds like a big mess. Did you call Brad to fix it?
Yes, I did. He said he would take care of it. I'm sorry for all of this trouble, Mom.
It's alright, accidents happen, and we can always fix things. The important thing is that you're safe. Did anything else happen today?
No, that was pretty much all of it. Oh, wait! I also baked some cookies and they turned out burnt. I didn't pay attention to the time.
Well, at least we can still eat them. We'll just call them extra crispy cookies.